Hello students, we're going to start this chapter off with doing some order of operations. I would encourage you to pause the video if you want to try these yourself and then play it back for the explanation. But let's begin with these two questions here. Whenever we're doing order of operations questions, we tend to use this rule called BOMDAS, right at the top. And basically, this rule is just telling us the order in which we do these questions. So firstly, we group them in twos and we say we do the brackets first. Over, there's just that word that's been put in there. Multiplication and division goes next. And then addition and subtraction is the last in line. So if we start with the first question here, we consider the brackets first. So I usually like to underline what I do. What I'm going to do first. So we consider the brackets, and you would notice there's brackets around -10 as well, but we're really looking at anything that we can actually compute in brackets there. -10 just basically stays as -10. So if we consider -3 times 13, you have a negative times a positive, so you're going to get a negative answer, and that is going to give us -39. And everything else gets copied down because I haven't really done anything with that yet. And what I'm going to do in the next step here is I'm going to simplify these signs here. So I'm going to write out everything, and two negatives give us a positive. One negative and a positive give us a negative. So if they're different, you're going to get a negative. If they're the same, you're going to get a positive. And we have a final answer here of -2 plus 39 minus 10. We do it from left to right. Addition and subtraction just get treated in the same, the priority is given the same. So going from left to right, answer is 27. All right, over to question B. We're going to attend to the brackets first. So if we look in the brackets, there are three things for us to do, three numbers for us to compute here. And the first is -20 divided by -4, and then we've got an addition there as well. So we've got our brackets, but then we also have to consider what gets done first. So we also look to BOMDAS for that. So we see here that this division should be done first. So if we divide -20 by -4, we have 5, and the brackets is still there. So copy everything else down. Going to here take this next line to simplify. So we have 5 minus 3 times 2. And from here, I'm going to do what's in the brackets, which we have 2 times 2. And our final answer here is 4.